Okay, in this one we're going to take a look at bootcamp day number 4, question number 8. In this case you have both a common term factor and a diamond problem. So let's start off by looking at our expression and seeing if we can factor anything out right away. The one thing I'm going to notice is that there's at least one x in each one of my terms. So I'm going to start off by factoring out an x, which will leave me with x squared minus 5x minus 6. Now I'm going to take my quadratic and I'm going to factor that using the diamond problem. So I'm going to start off by taking this number and this number, multiplying them together, and that goes on top. Then I take my middle number and that goes on bottom. So then I have to ask myself, what two numbers will multiply to give me a negative 6 and add to give me a negative 5? Well, that turns out to be negative 6x and a positive 1x, because negative 6 times 1 is negative 6, negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. Then we're going to go ahead and make a generic rectangle. In my generic rectangle, this term, whatever's there, goes in my bottom left. This term goes in my top right. And then this one and this one go in the other two spots, but it doesn't matter where I put those. Now, I need to fill out the outside of my generic rectangle to see what my factors are. Well, I know I have x and x to get x squared. Then I take x times negative 6 to get negative 6x, and I take x times 1 to get 1x. So my final answer, I'll have to start with the factor of x that we took out right away, and then I have x minus 6 from this side right here, and from this side we get x plus 1.